All right, this is where I slept last night. We got a nice pine cabin that's just a single room with a bed, a couple of stools, a couple of tables, and here's our front door. Boom. Look at that. Going down a very small spiral staircase. What's up, turkey? Some hammocks. And this is like a wood-fired oven that they've been cooking herbs and stuff. I don't really know, but it always smells really good around here. So we're gonna walk up to the other hostel where there's a really nice restaurant called Cabanas La Cumbre, and we're gonna get some breakfast. There's another hostel right there, Hostel Mandala. The air feels so crisp and clean up here. So I'm in San Jose del Pacifico. Don't think I said that yet. My friend that I met in Puerto Escondido recommended that I come here and check it out. And I'm so glad that I did, because it is beautiful. It's kind of like a cloud forest up here. We're pretty high elevation, so when there's clouds, we're usually above them, and then they roll up the mountainside through the forest. So there's lots of moss on every single tree. And also mushrooms grow wild here. So that's what this town is known for. And of course, the beautiful scenery. So because this is like on a mountainside, all the roads are really narrow, and there are very few parking lots. In fact, this is like the only parking lot that I've seen so far that holds more than two or three cars. This is my entrance right here to Cabanas La Cubre. It's easy to miss. If you didn't know what to look for, you can easily walk right by. I see a doggy up ahead. Buenos días, señor perro. ¿Cómo estás? So if you go that way, it goes up into the forest, up the mountain. Great nature hike, especially when you're tripping on mushrooms. Got a basketball court. Oh, now that I'm in the shade, it feels like it's maybe 65 degrees. Here's the restaurant. And one of the most spectacular views.